Which bird feeder does it feed off of? Both. Good, Dave.
So
That's good. Now we just have to wait. Get in the back. Get in the back so you can see. Okay. Here, I'll get in the booth.
okay.
Good job.
Here. All we do is wait right here. That's all we do. Okay?
All right.
Don't click up.
No.
Why, do you think we're going somewhere?
No.
Hey, really, what if we had real rocket boosters and we just drive?
You're so fun.
I know.
Birds eyeballing.
How do you know your birds?
They're looking at the bird feeder. Okay, shh.
Where? David!
Did that get him on camera? Because that was great.
I know.
Don't open this door! Okay, good. I thought I was going to open the door. I was going to go, yeet. No, ma'am. David, that was great.
I know we got you on camera.
Okay.
No, you don't.
Bird! Shush! Shush!
Shush,
Don't.
shush, shush.
Look.
David, get down low.
Hold on, they just...
See what you did, David?
Nobody cares. They can't even see you. I couldn't see you through the window.
You couldn't say who.
I couldn't see you guys through the window.
I didn't go outside.
I can't see you. We just have to be quiet because I
Hey, solid hick. Are you wearing contacts?
No, I don't wear contacts.
Only mine does.
I only wear glasses.
David, move! David, move to the back. Yeah.
Bird.
Right there. Yes, bird. We got the bird right so close to us.
We should make a trap.
How?
What do you think? Make a trap?
How?
Good question.
Oh, what do birds like the best?
Bird feed. We used to feed birds with bread. We can... I don't know. We just need to get them close enough to take a good picture. And they're long enough, so maybe throw a piece of bread out. Good.
David,
No, David, don't!
David, go get some bread. Get some bread.
You are not allowed to open that door from here on out.
Yeah.
That is why I'm gonna lock it now.
Go. I can do it. I
Can't
can
get
do it. Ready? What are you doing? Can you get my foot?
I gotcha.
David, go. Are we gonna get David live on camera? Shut your mouth up.
So, we're doing good so far. Camera, we just saw a bird. It approached us.
Yeah.
And it came to the cement.
Yeah.
We think that we're gonna set a tiny little trap.
Where's your phone?
I think we're gonna set a tiny little trap for it, like maybe throw a little piece of bread out so that we can get an accurate view and an accurate picture.
Like our bird watcher friend is gonna get us some bread right now.
David, our bird watching partner.
Yeah.
So we're just gonna set a trap of bread. So we're gonna throw out a little piece of bread onto the concrete right next to our bird watching car vehicle, and we can see what comes next. So yeah, we'll give you an update in a couple minutes.
Yeah. Hey, Libby Lou.
We need to look. David brought the whole loaf. Well, our bird watching friend just brought the whole loaf. Can't believe he brought the whole loaf. Oh, gee, he's getting busted.
He brought the whole loaf.
I can't even believe it. That is great. Oh, Grandma.
Get down.
She can't see her.
I know, she's so stupid.
We need to feed the birds, Gail. Okay, thank God.
Good job.
Mm.
Right there, David. Right there. David,
Drop a piece right there.
drop a piece right there.
No, that's not a good feeling. Okay, I can't even see that. Time out. Holden, go over there.
You can't even see that, you solid.
Holden, rip off a piece.
What does solid mean?
Holden, rip off a piece of the bread. Rip off a piece of the bread.
Do you see it?
Rip off a piece of the corner. Rip it off. Rip a little